Welcome back to Baking for Beginners. So today we're talking about piping bags and the right way to load them. So a piping bag really just helps you have control. I'm not cake decorating today. I happen to want some deviled eggs. I need to put the filling into specific spots. I would start with a 16-inch reusable like this. I'm just going to use this star tip. The first thing you want to do is cuff your bag. It does a couple great things. It keeps the filling inside, but it also gives you a nice little handle. So if you're using a piping tip, this is when you want to throw it in the bag. So my bag is cuffed, tip, boo, goes in. If you're using a star tip or another tip that has a pattern, you want to make sure the whole pattern can be seen from outside of the piping bag. If I knew I was going to be using this bag for larger tips like this, which I generally do, I cut it to this diameter hole at the top. Now I have the bag cuffed around the measuring cup, ready to go. Simply scoop out your filling and put it in here. Use the edge to scrape off your spatula. You're gonna do this for the rest of your filling. So until either your filling is done or you have about a third of your bag full. The reason I say a third of your bag full is because if you overfill your bag, it's a whole different issue when you're actually piping. So I recommend less than half full, probably about a third full. So my piping bag is ready. I'm gonna fill my deviled eggs and finally eat lunch. So that's it for today. That is how you properly load a piping bag. I'll see you next time on Lifehacker for some more tips and tricks.